Alright, looks like we've got one of the last two connections here. As you can see, we're here at the beginning of the drain, really, but the last part we're connecting. We're going to tie in a 4-inch French drain here. We had a lot of groundwater coming through here. Of course, this is going to trap that water before it even makes it down this hill, so no more water collecting here. And kind of pretty much got everything cleaned up here. Of course, we got some more aesthetics issues here we're going to clean up. Yep, get a little more dirt in here. Kind of mounded a little, of course, after any installation with the trench, we kind of mounded up. That way, when it rains, you're not having, trenches that are sinking in. That's one of the important factors. Again, we got some aesthetics things we need to clean up, obviously. And then obviously we need to close these trenches up as well. And here's where the French drain, of course, we had some more drainage issues over here that we went ahead and tied into. It's already full of rock, ready to be cleaned, ready for the trenches to be backfilled. And then our French drain flows into this pump right here, which is inside this basin. Of course, we'll put some conduit here for the cables, which will be tied into that outlet in the wall. And then we have a 2-inch PVC, once again, it goes right out there. And again, there's a swell right by that road where the water will be exiting. And of course, this is during heavy rains and after the rain when that groundwater tries to collect, which we all know it won't now. So, if you have any questions, any concerns, you're needing drainage fixed at your own home, of course, you can always contact BNC at 817-946-1805. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.